Now that we know the values of X, Y, and Z, we can now add 8 kilo ohms to Y because they are in series together. Simplifying, okay, they are series together, so as we simplify the circuit, let's redo one more time. Okay. This is the series combination. This is 8 kilo ohm plus, by the way, these are in kilo ohms and kilo ohms, and this is 8 kilo plus 2.182 kilo, so this is 10.1182 kilo ohms. This is X, 2.909 kilo ohms. This is Z, 2.182 kilo ohms. This is 8 kilo ohms. 8 kilo ohms and 1 kilo ohms and 8 kilo ohms. Alright, so this is now our simplified circuit, and next to this is to combine this series combination. So this will become 10.182 kilo ohms. Alright, let's redraw again the circuit. Okay, so this is now our circuit. I only extended the wire, but they are the same. Okay, they are both 10.182 kilo ohms, 10.182 kilo ohms, 2.909 kilo ohms, 8 kilo ohms, 8 kilo ohms, and 1 kilo ohm. Alright, so after this, let's use Y to delta transformation. We will transform this delta connection into this Y connection to delta. This one, and this one. Alright, so ibig sabihin, mawawala na to, ito, at ito. And it will become like this. Okay, so one resistor here, and another resistor here, and nakaparallel si 10.182 ohms. Alright, so dito, ilagay natin na A, B, and C. So to get the values of A, B, and C, we will be using our formula earlier, and that is A is equal to Let's say this is X, Y, and Z. Y, X, Y, and Z. So, una ay yung A, this one. So, that is XY plus YZ plus ZX over sa kanyang opposite, that is Y. So, if this is A, that is Y. Okay, and for B, same yung kanyang numerator. Ito yung B natin. Z, yung kanyang kabaliktad. And again, over X naman to. Okay, so let's solve for A, B, and C. X is 2.909 times, ay no, mali. It should be 8 times 2.909 plus 8, 2.909 and plus 8 times 8 divided by 2.909. And this is equal to what? Palakihin natin to. Okay, this is equal to sabayan nyo ako mag-solve para nakaka-practice kayo. 38 ohms. 38 ohms. And dito naman, we have the same 8, 9.09 plus 8, 2.909 plus 8 times 8 divided by Z is 8. And they are the same with C because since X is equal to Z, so B is equal to C also. The answer will be 13.818 kilo ohms. This is in kilo ohms too. This is also 13.818 kilo ohms. Alright. So we already know the values of A, B, and C. Let's continue. Okay. This is 10.182 kilo ohms and 10.182 kilo ohms. It is very obvious that 10.182 kilo ohms is in parallel with B, and C is also in parallel with another 10.182 kilo ohms. So solving for this, if we solve for this one, that is, our B is 13. Okay, let's change other color. This is 13.818 raised to negative 1 plus 10.182 raised to negative 1 raised to negative 1. And since B and C are the same, our value here will be the same to these values. Okay, so let's solve. This is now equal to 5.862 kilo ohms. This is also 5.862 kilo ohms. Alright, so if we will going to simplify again, the circuit will now be like this. Okay, and these will be in series. So this is 5.862 plus 5.862. And this is equal to 11.725 kilo ohms. Alright, and the 11.725 kilo ohms yan, ganyan na siya. This is 11.725 kilo ohms. This is 8 kilo ohms, 1 kilo ohms. Now, these are in parallel with each other. So this is 8 raised to negative 1 plus 11.725 raised to negative 1 raised to negative 1. And this is equal to 4.755 kilo ohms. Now 4.755 kilo ohms is in parallel, in series with 1 kilo ohm. Okay, so ang may iwan na lang ito na yung R total natin. Since this is 4.755 kilo ohm plus 1 kilo ohm, they are in series. Sulat na lang natin. This is equal to 5.755 kilo ohms, and this is our R total. Okay.